Hey guys, this is our company's nuclear radiation detector. The appearance is more compact and portable. The weight is only 59 grams. Let me show you the operation process of this product. Now press the power button to turn it on. Press the red key to enter the historical trend graph interface. Press and hold the power key to enter the setting. Press the red key to slide left. Press the green key to slide right. Press the yellow key to confirm to enter the selected function page. Short press the power button to return to the previous page. Short press the power button on the main page to shut down. Press the power button to turn on and measure. You can get results quickly and easily. Built-in lithium battery. Our product uses Geiger tube. The advantages of Geiger tube are: the price is more than 50% higher than that of glass tube. Data performance and service life are more stable and longer than glass tubes. It is safer to transport than glass tube and will not be easily damaged. How to connect Wi-Fi? Step 1. The mobile phone needs to turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi functions, and then open to your software. Step 2. After opening the software, click Add Device. You need to input the name and password of Wi-Fi. Click Next after importing. Just wait for the connection. When the page with chart appears, that means the connection is successful. How to export data? Enter the setting after power on. Select Export Data. Connect the computer with USB data cable. After connecting, click the Excel table with the product model name. After opening the form, you can view and export the data.